Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Northwestern Mutual subscription, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Northwestern Mutual subscription, begin by gathering your account information. Log into your Northwestern Mutual account on their official website. Navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for the option that pertains to your subscription or policy management. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Carefully read the cancellation policy presented. Confirm that you understand any potential fees or consequences. If everything looks acceptable, proceed with the cancellation request. You may be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. Fill out any required fields and submit your request. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message. It's important to save this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance. You can reach customer support via phone or their online chat feature. Be prepared to verify your identity during your interaction. Once your cancellation is processed, ensure that you receive written confirmation. Monitor your account for any future charges to ensure the cancellation was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.